Battle against COVID-19 pandemic has reached a crucial stage in India as the human trials of Indian vaccines have begun. In a hopeful development, initial trials on humans did not show any particular side effects on the participants. The trials will be in two phases and is being done at 14 research institutions across the country. The emphasis remains on safety and screening. ICMR scientists are keeping a constant vigil on the matter.
The world is running against time to develop the COVID-19 vaccine. Major global pharmaceutical giants are engaged in the campaign with feverish pace. One of the major pharmaceutical powerhouses in the world, India, is also actively engaged in developing the vaccine. Two vaccines being developed in India have been given approval for human trials by the DGCI. Union Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan has said that the fight against COVID-19 has entered a decisive phase as the human trials of Indian vaccine begin. He tweeted, "Human trials of Indian vaccine begin. The fight against COVID-19 is now in decisive phase. Efforts to develop a corona vaccine for the past many months start giving positive signs. We will soon win the war against this pandemic." Dr. Harsh Vardhan further shared that the initial trials on humans did not have any side effects. The trial will be in two phases and is being done at 14 research institutes. The emphasis remains on safety and screening. The ICMR scientists are keeping a constant vigil on the developments. DGCI has permitted two vaccines to go in for the first and second phase of human clinical trials. One vaccine is developed by the Bharat Biotech International Limited in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research. The other vaccine is being developed by Zydus Cadila Healthcare Limited. The two Indian vaccine candidates have undergone successful toxicity studies in rats, mice and rabbits. This data was submitted to the DGCI, following which both got clearance to start an early phase human trial. Human clinical trials for Covaxin have been initiated across the country in 375 volunteers, including 3 at Rohtak's Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences. The 3 persons have shown no adverse side effect.
हम सबके लिए हरियाणा में और पूरे देश में ये एक बहुत अच्छी खबर है कि एक कोविड की बीमारी जिसके लिए कोई रोकथाम के लिए अभी तक कोई वैक्सीन नहीं बना है, उसके लिए भारत में भी इसकी शुरुआत हो गई है और शुरू में अभी 3 संस्थानों के अंदर इसका ह्यूमन ट्रायल शुरू हो गया है, जिनमें PGIMS रोहतक एक है।
बायोटेक द्वारा निर्मित कोरोना की वैक्सीन कोवैक्सीन का आज ह्यूमन ट्रायल रोहतक PGI में आरंभ किया गया। आज 3 लोगों को वो दवा देकर देखी गई है और उनका कोई भी नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट देखने को नहीं मिला है।
All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi will start human trials of Covaxin from Monday. This will be the biggest center for the Covaxin trials in the nation. Under the constant watch of ICMR, 100 volunteers would be part of the trials at the nation's premier medical institute. People can register to become volunteers by either dialing the number 0742 8847 or dropping an SMS at the same number. They can also email at ctaims.covid19@gmail.com. Nearly 24 possible COVID-19 vaccines are in various stages of testing around the globe. Candidates from US, China and Britain's Oxford University are also entering the final testing stages. Indian-born UK citizen Deepak Paliwal became a household name in India and the UK after he volunteered for the human trials of the Oxford vaccine. Around the world, governments are investing in stockpiles of hundreds of millions of doses of different candidates in hopes of speedily starting inoculations if any are proven to work. News 9 Desk, DD India.
We'll talk more about management of COVID in the